Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The sound you guys need to know is WKP News, serving you the latest news from all around the world. I'm Jamaica Alonso.
And I'm Christopher Texon. In today's headlines,
The officers has ended. New SSG president has issued his task force and expected to allow candidates for reporting exclusively.
Mr. President, what do you feel about winning the SSG?
At first, I felt like I'm very grateful for the Hosafians for voting me as their president. But right now, I feel very pressured because it just sunk in that I represent the whole San Jose National High School students. So it's very pressuring also a student because I represent you guys.
Another question, Mr. President. What are the first rules and regulation you will implement in our school?
Of course, as I promised in my campaign, I don't know if I got to campaign in your class, but I promised in my campaign about the transparency, about the sex education, and about the LGBTQIA+ rights. But right now, I am focusing on the issues about the short-changing issue in our canteen. So I'm planning to implement the no candy na sukle sa kantin natin because it's very it's wrong and it should never have it's wrong to do that to our co-students. And second, I am planning to implement the hair policy because the hair of every student plays a big role on their gender expression and their individuality. So I'm planning to do that also.
Mr. President, for that answer. You can thank those who supported you during the election.
Thank you so much for supporting me. I know not all of you voted for me, but I'm going to do my best to represent your voices to our teachers and to our higher ups for you to be able to have a freedom in your to express your feelings, to express your voices, and to express whatever your needs, because that's my job. Thank you so much.
I'm arrested from a snatching incident. IB Barnes reporting exclusive.
Meanwhile, a man was arrested after stealing a woman's bag. According to the victim, she was shopping for early Christmas items in Divisoria when suddenly a man appeared and grabbed her bag. She tried to chase him but he quickly got away. The bag contained her cell phone worth 10,000 pesos, a wallet containing 20,000 pesos, and other important cards. The victim has reported the incident to the police. The police advised the public to be vigilant and as much as possible not to carry large amounts of money when leaving home, especially now that Christmas is approaching, to avoid this type of incident.
Russian President Vladimir Putin declares military offensive in Ukraine.
Check out this hot news at the return of WKP News.
Обстоятельства требуют от нас решительных и незамедлительных действий. Народные республики Донбасса обратились к России с просьбой о помощи. В связи с этим, в соответствии со статьей 51 части 7 Устава ООН, санкции Совета Федерации России и во исполнение ратифицированных Федеральным собранием 22 февраля сего года договоров о дружбе и взаимопомощи с Донецкой Народной Республикой и Луганской Народной Республикой, мною принято решение о проведении специальной военной операции. Ее цель – защита людей, которые на протяжении 8 лет подвергаются издевательствам, геноциду со стороны киевского режима. Кто бы ни пытался помешать нам, а тем более создать угрозы для нашей страны, для нашего народа, должны знать, что ответ России будет незамедлительным и приведет вас к таким последствиям, с которыми вы в своей истории еще никогда не сталкивались. Мы готовы к любому развитию событий.
А дальше по-русски. Сегодня я инициировал телефонный разговор с президентом Российской Федерации. Результат – тишина. Хотя тишина должна быть на Донбассе. Поэтому сегодня я хочу обратиться ко всем гражданам России. Не как президент. Я обращаюсь к российским гражданам как гражданин Украины. С вами нас разделяет более 2000 километров общей границы. Вдоль нее сегодня стоят ваши войска, почти 200 тысяч солдат, тысячи боевых машин. Ваше руководство одобрило их шаг вперед на территорию другой страны. И этот шаг может стать началом большой войны на европейском континенте. О том, что может произойти со дня на день, сегодня говорит весь мир. Причина может возникнуть в любой момент. Любая провокация, любая вспышка. Вспышка, которая может сжечь все. Вам говорят, что это пламя принесет освобождение народу Украины. Но украинский народ свободен. Он помнит о своем прошлом и сам строит свое будущее. Строит, а не разрушает. Как рассказывают вам каждый день по телевизору. Украина в ваших новостях и Украина в реальной жизни – это две совершенно разные страны. И главное, их отличие.
Old lady killed by a speeding car. Suspects escape. Jade Tolentino reporting exclusive.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Ay, sayang makeup. On the bright side, there's skin white. The weakness is skin. Always look at the bright side of things. Possibilities are brighter with...
Typhoon of best slowdown was winds of extreme northern Luzon with wind strength of 45 kilometers per hour and gusts up to 55 kilometers per hour. It is moving west-southwest at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. It is possible to experience heavy to intense. As advises to the public to get ready for the possible impact in the country. Meanwhile, due to bad weather, it will be rough and dangerous to sail on the northern and eastern southwest seaboard of northern Luzon, as well as the western seaboard of northern Luzon.
Love triangle issue has surfaced in the internet about Jairek Severino, Kent Leyva, and Lil John Borgoña.
Feelings for me, but I cannot and did not return those feelings to him. Can't love me, but I have never loved him.
What about Kent's side? They said that you let him on, making him think that he had a chance, but in the end, it was our fault.
I'm sorry, but I don't have a balance.
Thank you, Miss Diana Severino.
First of all, I don't know what this is all about. I'm just doing my job as an actor. I don't want to get into any trouble. Again, regarding that issue, I love Jared and there's no problem. And whoever met should face me in the consequence.
Ano pag meron yan?
Cellphone mo. One, two,
lang.
Ito. Tignan niyo kung bet niyo yung ano, quality.
Kahit sino video dyan.
Ito.
Blissful day.
Side view ako dyan sa video. Tao kasi ng tao to, alas 12 no. Galit na galit, totoo kita dito ka.
Ay, hindi pa ito totoo ah.
Naka-video na?
Bibidyoan ko lang kayo para behind the scenes.
Okay, one, two, three.
Huwag ka magulo. Si ano nga maganda.
Aray, asal sa mata. Nakaharap sa mukha.
Gago kita yung live.
Makan natin dito yun. Ayos ka na yan.
Sino ano? Ito?
Today's na yun. Tapos,
Wala pareho kami ano, kasi nag-enter.
Wala na kumagin kami.
ikaw na lang dyan video.
First of all, I don't know what this is all about. I'm just doing my job as an actor. I don't want to get into any trouble.
Ba't ganon? Ba't tapos na eh?
Today, the song Visayas and Mindanao is WK.
Ano?